It will not go straight. It wants to go left. I thought the.
What specific appliance or part are you working with?
A Husqvarna zero turn.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Husqvarna tool or machine? How old is it?
8
How long has this been going on with your Husqvarna? What have you tried so far?
8 years. B was running great when I used it lasr.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
My BF YouTubed it and adjusted the drive Mecha nidn.
Hello, my name is. I have been a small engine mechanic for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that your Husqvarna zero turn only wants to pull to the left. Is that correct?
My BF YouTubed it and adjusted the neutral control that is on left-hand side of machine. Didn't do a thing. It ran perfect when I used it last.
Okay, has he checked the linkage that runs all the way back to the transmission?
Where is that located? He adjusted the neutral control rod. And put back on. Is on the left side of mower. Had to take wheel off to do it.
He needs to make sure that when he moves the steering arm, that the linkage also moves at the transmission.
It did before he adjusted the neutral control rod. He said it does.
That transmission is not working at all? No forward or reverse at all?
It won't turn left at all. It does move, but the control arms don't seem to work right.
What is the model number?
RZ5426.
If the linkages are moving, then it should be working. Thatbside transmission may be bad.
Would it just be that the oil needs changed?
Only thing that would make it stop moving would be if it was out of oil completely.
Not getting anywhere with this. Good night.
In that case, I will offer my final advice that I believe the transmission is defective and needs to be replaced.
There are 2 transmissions I think. Which or both?
The one that's not moving is bad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.